babe. You're lost in your head, I get lost in your words. You feel far too deep, it keeps you from sleep, and I know that it hurts. Tell me everything that you love.
Hey, Master Bruce!
Show me everything that you left.
Why were you up on the roof?
I'm learning to conquer fear.
I've got time.
Come on, Shane.
Please don't be sad.
Good,
You don't
stupid
have
little
to
boy!
try to make it back. It's
gonna be all right.
midnight, a new
You're perfectly fine.
sunrise, and that
Alfred's a warrior.
can't be bad.
Whoa! Stop! Down tools. I surrender.
But I think you should know.
So no breakfast then? And no dinner last night. Trying to see how long we can go without eating anything. But if that's the case, I should save myself the trouble of making it.
I'm just not hungry.
You try and eat a bit, won't you?
Please don't be sad.
I heard screaming.
You don't have to
Bad
smile to make it back.
Was I in it?
Not this time.
New midnight,
Fancy a stroll?
Busy.
and that can't be bad.
You look at this shambles. What would your mother say?
You find a way. In the new midnight, the new sunrise every day. And don't wake up and say everything will be just fine.
Come now, Master Bruce. That's what happens sooner or later.
At least everybody high and dry.
Your mom and dad got killed, huh?
Show
Blood and everything?
Rather not talk about that.
It's your guts.
please don't be
Hey, Brucey.
It's Bruce.
My parents Ethan, so I can call you what I like.
Please get out of my way.
Your mother must have.
new sunrise and that can't be
What happens?
Someone spoke disrespectfully about my mother.
I hope you broke that bastard teeth for him.
help you find a way.
Don't talk about my mother.
The new
Master Bruce!
every day.
You alright, mate? Any broken bones?
He tried to kill me.
He did. Now I let him try. Mate, it's trouble. Oi! Oi!
That can't be bad. Breaking through your walls gets hard to fall, but I think you should know. When you hide away from light and shiver at night, I've been there before. I'll tell you everything that I lost, show you everything that I left behind, point out all the ones that I loved.
You alright?
I'm fine.
You really scared me, Master Bruce. If you die, who employs butlers anymore?
It's a new midnight, a new sunrise, and that can't be bad. No, stay and help you find a way. In the new midnight, the new
That's all I have.
sunrise.
You stabbed him.
Just silly little children.